If you're getting an authentication code error in GCash and can't receive or verify the code, here are a few things you can try. First, open your phone's settings and go to Apps. Find GCash in the app list. Then tap on Storage. Tap Clear Cache first. After that, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. Keep in mind that this will log you out of the app, so you'll need to sign in again. Next, go back to the GCash app info page and tap on Permissions. Make sure GCash has all the permissions it needs, especially SMS, phone, notifications, and any other permissions requested by the app. After that, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for GCash. If you see an update button, install the latest version of the app. Using an outdated version can sometimes cause authentication and verification issues. In most cases, this should resolve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.